good day everyone. How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, to start off this video, I might ask you a simple question. What AI that you usually use to generate the picture? Yes, maybe some of you use this Gemini AI or Nano Banana and maybe Dance, Grok, and a lot of tool or a lot of AI that will help us to create or generate the picture. But usually, if you would like to generate the picture, let's say from this Google Gemini AI, you usually need to put the prompt first into the section. And after that, this AI or this Nano Banana will help you to generate the image following the prompt or the request. But the output usually show you one picture, or one prompt will usually create one output. And what if I tell you that there is another powerful AI or the powerful tool from the Google again, that you can create the several picture related about the topic. For example, creating the room design for your Halloween or something another things. So you can start to introduce yourself to Google Mixboard like this. So you can start to access this Google Mixboard, and don't worry because this is accessible via website into your PC or even the smartphone like this. And this is the homepage after I did the login, and you will see that this Google Mixboard will help you faster to create the picture, and also not only one but a lot of picture only in one click or only in one topic of your prompt. So don't worry if you, let's say, feel this is your very first time to use this Google Mixboard, don't worry because they will also give you the example like this. For example, if you would like to create the cozy fall living room party, so you can choose this to take a look. And basically you can start to add or start off with the project first. And let's say if you would like to know about the inspiration of cozy fall living room party, so they will give you a lot of options like this, or a lot of picture that related to the cozy living room, and you can also simply move it. And let's say if you would like to do the editing for one of this picture, you can click one of this picture, and as you can see down here, you can do the change for this picture. For example, kindly change the blankets, or add the blanket, I'm sorry, because the pattern of this sofa, it's like the blanket, by the way. Some blanket on the sofa, and you can simply enter it and kindly wait for the result. And after the generation process, then you will see this picture like this. You can simply zoom in and you will see the blanket that has been put on this sofa. Isn't that interesting, right? So let's see if we would like to create our own version or our own project. For example, the project will be the wooden kitchen, for example. And don't worry because it is not only about the designing room or for the architectural, but it is for another thing, guys. Like this. And you can click into this section. What do you want to create? Let's say I will type the wooden kitchen like this, and kindly wait for the process and let this Google Mixboard will show you the several picture that related to the wooden kitchen. Ooh, that's a lot, by the way. Okay, this is the look of the wooden kitchen, and also the detail of the detail, and also the tool that usually put in the wood in the kitchen. I'm sorry. And if you are interested to download this picture, then you can simply download it here. And after that, it will officially saved into your device. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this Google Mixboard to create your inspiration or create your project. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.